Sanitaire Tradition Upright Vacuum offers a low cost of ownership, longevity of use, and a productive workforce by combining several features into one lightweight commercial machine. It provides 500 hours of powerful commercial-grade cleaning and comes with a 30-feet power cord and 18-quart Shakeout bag. Tradition weighs only 12.2 pounds, so moving it around while cleaning is a breeze. Plus, when it's time to maintain the vacuum, the processes of replacing the brush roll and belt don't require any special tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Motor life provides more than 500 hours of commercial-grade cleaning performance. Number 2. Durable structure. Polycarbonate hood that's safe for tough environments. Number 3. Tool-free maintenance. Replace brush roll and belt without tools. Number 4. Large capacity Shakeout bag. Holds up to 18 quarts of dirt and debris. Less interruption while cleaning. Number 5. Lightweight 12.2 pounds. Easy to transport and comfortable to use. Number 6. 30 feet commercial grade power cord. Reduces the need to switch plugs as often. Number 7. Unique maintenance features like the tool-free brush roll and belt replacement and metal clip bag release system make this commercial vacuum easy to use and easy to maintain. Number 8. Commercial-grade power cord is durable and has a 30 feet reach to reduce the need to switch plugs as often and provides a potential cleaning area of 4,680 square feet. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.